Jordan 15 Columbia stands out as a rare gem in the sneaker world, having never seen a retro release since its debut in 2000. Designed by Tinker Hatfield with inspiration from the X-15 fighter jet, its futuristic details include sharp lines, a Kevlar woven upper, and an extended tongue symbolizing Michael Jordan's fearless presence on the court. Beyond its technical innovation, the shoe carries heritage with a Columbia blue and white color scheme that ties back to MJ's University of North Carolina roots and echoes the Air Jordan 11 from the 1996 NBA All-Star Game. Performance was elevated with Zoom Air cushioning and a herringbone outsole, blending style with functionality. Its scarcity amplifies its value among collectors, and anticipation for a re-release grows stronger with time. If brought back, it would instantly capture demand, blending nostalgia, heritage, and innovation into one iconic Columbia legacy.